Hello children, how are you today? I hope you're happy. Now I hope you're healthy as well. So today I thought I'll make something that everyone likes. It's a origami creation like this. We are making this little ribbon bow, right? So bring a beautiful piece of paper to make this. Now for today I have selected a piece of paper that is 15 into 15 centimeters. Now with this paper we have to start with this side down, right? So like this. Fold it in half like this. Then fold it on the other direction to the other direction. Then fold it in such a way you get triangles. Now remember what we have done earlier. So fold it in like that so that you get a smaller piece of square. Now the opening side should be facing you. Okay? Now fold it in like this. Don't push it in, don't press it down. Mark the middle with that. Then bring this corner to that place that you marked earlier and press it down hard. Now here, can you see this place? Now fold it in like this again. Now open it up slowly. Now see what you can see here. There are two squares there, right? Now what we have to do is from here to here, the four folding lines, you have to make it a yama origin along the four folding lines. Okay? Now that little square that's peeking out, we have to make it look more visible by pressing the four corners of the square. And now slowly push it down. Push it down and press down these four corners. See what will happen. It goes inside like this, right? Now what we have to do is press down hard on it. Now select one side and can you see this middle line? So bring this and fold it like this. Bring this down as well and fold it in. Now turn it around and do the same thing on this side as well. Now, can you see that there are four folding papers here? Now slowly open it up. Slowly open it up, okay? Don't grab hold of it and pull it to the sides. Just slowly pull it out. Now there's a small sort of a square in the middle. So now push down on it, right? And then press down on those other folding lines as well. Now these two parts are what will come here. So from this we are going to make those two parts. Now we have to cut this place here. Now see, there's a folded place. Underneath that is where you will need to cut. So be careful. Cut it until you reach that little square in the middle, and do the same thing on all four sides. So you can turn it around and see that there is a line underneath that folded part. See, underneath the folding line. See, be careful. Now it's all cut. Now turn it around and push this down like this. Now can you see these two pieces? This piece needs to be folded in like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Now push these to the other side. Then this corner comes to the middle like this. Same thing on the other side. Now make sure they align perfectly well, otherwise we'll have problems with it. So if we keep some space, there'll be a line there. So it depends on what you like, alright? Then now turn it around. See, this little piece, fold it in and push it into that little pocket here. If you like it, you can press it down. If not, you can fluff it up like this. Apply a little glue to paste it. You can make it a bit fluffed up even before you put it into the pocket like that. Like this, see? Now see, now with this we have to make these two pieces at the bottom without an issue. If it's too difficult to have two pieces of paper, you can cut off the lower flap. Now cut this into half. Keep the two flaps separately before cutting, because otherwise it'll be all messy. Then we want the colored side up. So to get that colored side up, we have to fold it in such a way that the colored side comes up. So this corner comes to that corner, right? Now this corner we have to bring to this side, but make sure it doesn't protrude or stick out. Okay? Do the same thing with this flap. Inside, you're folding it inside. You can have the bow like this if you wish. If you don't like these two flaps, you can cut them out also. If you want, you can have a little design on this lower hanging part of the bow as well. I like it like this. So I'm going to give some space in the middle here. That's it. That's what I like. So depending on what you like, you can change this lower hanging part. So that's what I like. You can do it whatever you like, in whichever way you like. So you can have a curling effect, anything like that. See the beautiful bow? So if you make something like this too, you can put it onto your head, or you can attach it to your dress. So you can attach it to anything you like, maybe for decorations. I will teach you in the future how to do it. It's not hard, just a few steps. So try it and see. Now stay with us for our next creation as well. Subscribe, like, comment on our channel and on our videos. So tell us what you think about our videos and these creations as well. Then we will come very soon with another video just like this. Goodbye.